Hi guys, and thanks for joining me today. We are going to be doing a really quick scrambled egg breakfast today. If you're in a hurry, this is the perfect option. Now before I start, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to look out for more videos coming soon. There you go, scrambled egg. Quick and easy. Really simple and full of protein, so a great breakfast. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to look out for more videos coming soon.